Duct Dehumidifier LB-10DCD efficiently removes up to 20 liters of moisture per day, operating within a temperature range of 5 to 38 degrees Celsius. It is widely used in laboratories, pharmaceutical production areas, hospitals, clean rooms, and electronic manufacturing units. Features: Customizable Humidity Settings allows precise adjustment of moisture levels to meet environmental requirements. User-friendly interface enables easy operation through an intuitive and accessible control panel. Easy maintenance reduces maintenance needs, ensuring reliable, hassle-free use. Flexible Air Flanges provides flexible connectivity for a wide range of ventilation systems. Low power consumption enhances operational efficiency by reducing overall energy usage.